Hi, my name is Chris Lee. This is the Arduino multi-LED sequencer task, and for this task we were building a simple circuit that could sequentially light up 8 separate LEDs. In terms of hardware, we have the same parts as the last video. So we have our Arduino microcontroller, we have our breadboard, we have a number of different jumper cables. The positives will be connecting to some pin on the digital output side, and we have a single cord for the ground. And this is going to complete our circuit. In terms of the setup on the breadboard, we have each individual LED. Now the anode, if I can get the correct angle here. Now the anode is connected in line with the jumper cable. So remember, the breadboard is configured to run horizontally, not vertically. And the resistor is in line with the cathode. Now these are still 220 ohm resistors, so we have about 22 milliamps of current running to each LED. In order to get the lights to sort of light up in this order, so for me that's right to left, and then it goes from left to right, we had to use the Arduino IDE with some code. And inside of the Arduino IDE, we first declaring an integer array called LED pins, and they are numbered 2 through 9 to correspond to the pins that we have connected our jumper cables to. So hopefully that is clear enough to see. We have nothing in our setup loop, but in our sort of main loop, our main function rather, we have 2 for loops. Now I is initialized to 0, and that is going to correspond to pin 2. And we're going to continue iterating this loop until we hit the end of our array, essentially. And while doing that, we're going to set the ith pin to high. So this will output 5 volts, and we will delay by half a second before moving to the next pin. Once this loop is completed, so the lights have lit up from right to left, we'll move to the second for loop. Now this is much the same, but it is essentially the inverse. So we're going to begin with I initialized as 8. This will be at the end of our array, and we'll decrement. We're using digital write again, and we're setting the ith pin to low, so that's no voltage, and we'll delay by half a second. And that essentially gives us that chasing effect here, where we're moving from right to left and then left to right. Thank you.